how to turn off or disable extend unlock on Samsung Galaxy phone. So with Samsung phone extend unlock, you can instruct the Samsung phone to always unlock whenever it detects motion or whenever it is in a trusted place. So if you have a Samsung smartwatch, whether watch 6, watch 3, watch 4, watch 7, you can always ask your Samsung phone to remain unlocked when both devices are connected together. This could be dangerous because your Samsung phone cannot detect your body different from others. So if your Samsung phone is unlocked and someone else is holding it, it will remain unlocked and that person can easily use your Samsung phone. Now, if you want to disable the particular extend unlock your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Now, one of the settings page, you want to scroll down the page, locate lock screen and AOD and click on it. Then, under lock screen and AOD, you want to click on extend unlock and then go ahead, type in your PIN or pattern or password and click on continue. Then here you should see extend unlock. Keep this device unlocked while it's on you at specific places that you trust or near your trusted devices. Then to disable or turn off extend unlock, just click on body motion, then disable this. Then come back to trusted places, click on it. Then locate your trusted places here and then tap it and click on delete. Then once you see the trusted place deleted, go back, tap on trusted devices, then remove your trusted devices. Then tap on trusted devices and then remove any trusted device you have linked to your extend unlock page. And once that is done, you'll see all the options under extend unlock turned off and then you're good to go. So that is basically how you can easily turn off or disable Samsung phone extend unlock. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.